So in the modern day, it's a lot of groups are in virtual settings. How do you manage diversity in that virtual setting?
That's probably the most complicated question of all the ones you've asked so far. Number one, there is many more virtual kinds of groups forming, partly because companies are deciding that they don't want to pay to fly people places. Also, the technology is out there. They've tried to do video teleconferencing, which can work. You can see the person's face, but there's so much that has to do with body language in our communication that's subtle, that's kind of under the waterline, and you don't even think about it, but it does influence you, and it's a cue, and you miss it a lot of times on the virtual meetings. Also, there's so much media. In fact, I'm sure in your classroom, people are tweeting and doing, IMing and so forth, or texting. And so there's all this media. So when you've got someone on the phone and you're doing virtual meeting, how do you know they're not doing an email to their boyfriend or girlfriend, or writing up something else? You don't know if you have their whole attention. Then you do a polling. Is everyone okay with that idea? Yes, we are. They don't even know what you're saying sometimes. So with virtual meetings, you've got to build trust that when you're in the meeting and not doing other things. And you've got to be willing to be patient and not talk over each other, because sometimes there'll be a lag time in the phone, depending how what type of system you've got. Number one. Number two is some people are more of a stream of consciousness person like me, so I have to be really careful that I let silence occur for maybe 5-10 seconds before I speak, so I don't speak over someone. So those are some of the challenges, and I think there's going to be more and more virtual, and I think it's going to take new people with new ideas and new tools in order to manage this well.